Welcome. My name is Erica, and this is a guided meditation with rituals. The concept of slowing down can seem alluring, mysterious, even seductive at times. When our life moves super fast and we move from task to task, this practice is the most simplest practice you can perform. It's all about the breathing. And when we slow down and use the secret weapon of the breathing, we access what we call the inner guidance. And the inner guidance is all that we need to flourish and to be effective. So I'm not talking about renouncing the entire world and meditating all day. All we want to do is close our eyes, go through this 5-step breathing practice so that we can clear the space to access our inner power. Let's begin. For this breathing practice, you'll want to find a comfortable seat, either on a meditation cushion or a pillow, and just tilt the pelvic floor slightly forward so that we can find a nice tall spine. And we're going to begin with our hands together in front of our heart, pressing the thumbs into the breastbone, shoulders back and down. And with the lips closed, eyes closed, just take 2 or 3 breaths here to center yourself and to move the awareness from external to internal. And we'll begin with the mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo. This mantra calls upon all of our teachers, past, present, and future, and it asks them to guide us to the path of inner knowing. And you can just repeat this mantra 3 times. You can whisper it to yourself or say it internally. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I'm going to begin by raising the right hand, and a couple of options. You can drop the first 2 fingers down and reach over to close the left nostril with the right finger. Or you can take the first 2 fingers on the third eye, and we're going to begin slow, steady breathing in and out of the right nostril. Lips are closed, eyes focus at the third eye. I'm going to begin breathing through the left nostril by gently closing the right nostril with the right thumb. And take slow, steady breaths through the left nostril. Inhaling, breathing coming from the crown down into the belly. And as you exhale, breath moving from the belly up the spine. Beginning alternate nostril breathing, inhaling through the left nostril. I'm going to hold at the top of the inhale and just lightly pinch the nose close. Eyes will stay focused at the third eye. Exhale, right nostril. Good. Inhaling right nostril. Hold the nose closed, lift the pelvic floor, keep the crown of the head open. Exhale, left nostril. Inhaling left nostril. Exhale, right nostril. Inhale, right nostril. Hold. Exhale, left nostril. We're going to bring the right hand down, palm facing down on the knee, index finger and thumb together. And we'll come onto the second side. With the left hand, bring the first 2 fingers down and reach over to close the right nostril. You can take the alternative mudra, bringing the first 2 fingers on the third eye. And we'll begin breathing in through the left nostril. And then holding the breath by slightly pinching the nose closed, lifting up on the pelvic floor to seal the energy as we exhale through the right nostril. Inhale, right nostril. Hold at the top of the inhale. Stay focused at the third eye. Exhale, left nostril. Inhaling left. Hold. Exhale, right. Good. Inhaling right. Hold. Exhale, left. Inhaling left. Hold. So holding the breath without rigidity. Keep the organs soft, shoulders soft. Exhale, right nostril. Good. Last round, inhaling right. Hold. Exhale, left. Good. Lowering the left hand down. Palm facing down, index finger and thumb together. And just take a few rounds here. Notice the energy that's resurfacing. Notice the vitality. And notice the energy, that creative energy that comes to the surface when we give ourselves the space to slow down. And we'll enter into the last segment here. We'll go into 7 minutes of breath of fire. And so you'll want to refrain from breath of fire if you're on the first 3 days of your moon cycle, or if you're pregnant. In that case, you'll just turn this into a deep breathing meditation. And you can even place the hands on the belly if that's more efficient to help with your focus. Otherwise, you're going to begin with me, breath of fire. Quick, sharp exhales through the nose. There's a quick, sharp reflex of the navel. So you're pulling the navel back towards the spine, forcing the exhale, and the inhale happens naturally. And you can begin and end whenever you'd like. It will take a little bit of practice to keep this consistent. Right, but just keep the practice nice and friendly. Begin and start whenever you're ready. So you'll notice that the belly is more of an up and down motion rather than an in and out. And if you force the exhale, the inhale will happen very softly and naturally. Okay, so just keep up the pace. Okay? If this becomes challenging, you can always pause and then start whenever you're ready. So keep it up. You're doing amazing. We're almost there. Last 3 minutes. Stay strong. And we're in the last minute here. So stay strong, keep the shoulders soft, eyes focused at the third eye. You're just reorganizing your energy here so we don't get burnout. Nice, slow, quick, sharp exhales. My last 3, 2, 1. When you're ready, take a deep inhale through the nose. The very top of your inhale, you're going to hold the breath in, lift the pelvic floor, and just consolidate the energy because it'll feel quite cool, expansive. And then keep that length in the spine as you exhale through the nose, following the breath up and out through the crown of the head. And then be available for this next inhale. You want the belly to expand as the breath moves from the top of the head down to the very base of the spine, and just anchor yourself in the earth. Feel present. And then very slowly start to sip the breath back in. Big belly, open heart. And managing your energy here, slowing yourself down, using this breathing practice to clear space, accessing that inner power. So it's normal to feel a lot of energy here. We're just recharging ourselves from the inside out. And remember what this feels like. It's always a choice to return, to use the breathing as a way of charging, as a way of gaining and revitalizing that energy, that natural glow. And with a little bit of practice, this is going to feel as seductive as a cup of coffee during the afternoon. And when you feel complete, you can bring our meditation practice to a close, palms together in front of the heart, and bowing your chin in towards your chest with respect. And may this practice guide us to the many opportunities to be of service, to the ways of naturally reboosting our energy, and to the guidance that's found only in the moments when we slow ourselves down. We'll close with the words Sat Nam. Sat meaning truth, Nam being name, and it's a long Sat, short Nam. Inhaling deeply. Sat Nam. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful day.